Hello, it is Tabitha, the Kansas City Realtor, and we are here in West Plaza, just minutes away from Plaza area, right in the center of everything, in the center of the city. Today we are actually going to be checking out this 3-bedroom, 2-bath bungalow in West Plaza, where the median price for homes are around $449,500. Come on, let's check it out. In this 3-bedroom, 2-bath West Plaza home, it is located just minutes away from Westwood Shopping Center. It has a fireplace with an open and spacious living room that flows right into the dining room. You come through and you see the kitchen nook, which also opens up to a very wide galley kitchen with stainless steel appliances. And take a look at the backsplash. Another perk that I found in this home was actually a wine cooler. And this is like the things that you find in West Plaza. In the backyard, it has a beautiful deck. And also it leads out into the garage, which actually can fit a mid-size SUV. All right, now let's go into the bedrooms. These bedrooms actually are pretty large for the area. Wonderful spacing and tons of room. This is the 2nd bedroom, and inside here you can actually find main level washer and dryer hookup. In Kansas City, we have basements, and sometimes you will find that the washer and dryer are in the basement, but it's a great perk to definitely see the washer and dryer on the main level. All right, friends, so we are in the master bedroom, which is actually located in the converted attic space. So in Kansas City, it's a big trend to actually convert that space into a livable area. So they have renovated this space and included a beautiful walk-in closet. I mean, I know it would be a dream of mine to be able to have this space. This is the final stop in our West Plaza tour. Now, here we visit the owner's bathroom, which has also been beautifully renovated to be bright and airy. It features a double vanity and the walk-in shower. Now that we have seen this beautifully remodeled West Plaza home, let's take a look around the neighborhood. Get hungry in West Plaza, a few places you can check out is Bay Boys Sandwiches, Johnny Joe's Pizzeria, and the bar, West Plaza. All right, friends, it is giveaway time. So make sure you go over to Instagram and follow me at the Tabitha Gibson. Also, make sure to share the post that says West Plaza so that you can have a chance to win a gift card to the bar. So in West Plaza, one of the beautiful places that you'll find is actually this Westwood Hills Shopping Center. Attached is a chocolate factory, a flower shop, and a home store. Let's go check it out. Well, this has been West Plaza, and if you are interested in this neighborhood, definitely give me a call. Again, my name is Tabitha, the Kansas City Realtor.